I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable Google Assistant on your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your name and profile picture at the top of this menu. The Google Services screen opens. Step 3. Tap to select All Services at the top of this menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the Settings for Google Apps section and then tap Search Assistant and Voice in this section. Associated options are displayed. Step 5. Tap Google Assistant in this menu. The Google Assistant menu opens. Step 6. Tap Hey Google and Voice Match in this list. If you don't see that option listed, you'll need to search for it at the top of this screen. You'll land on the Hey Google and Voice Match menu. Step 7. Tap to toggle off Hey Google. A window pops up letting you know that you can still use the Hey Google feature in some driving apps like Google Maps and Android Auto. Tap OK in this window. At this point, the Hey Google feature and effectively the Google Assistant is disabled and turned off on your Android device. However, if you want to go further and delete the voice match model data, continue through the next steps. Step 8. Tap Delete Voice Match Model. A window opens letting you know that if you remove the voice match feature from your device, Google Assistant will no longer be able to recognize your voice on this specific device. Step 9. Tap Remove. The voice match data will be removed from this specific device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.